Okay, so in this video, I just want to quickly talk about hyperfocus. So hyperfocus is just a little animation plugin in Hyprland. So let's just open a browser and a terminal. Let's go to hyperfocus. So if you go to the GitHub page or just type in Hyprland hyperfocus, you can just go there and then you can see what it actually does. So either if you scroll the mouse over a window, it flashes a little bit, or it shrinks like this. Now I like this ability actually. You scroll the mouse over, it shrinks, you know exactly in which window you are working. So it's just a little fancy thing. Right. So as you can see, mine is the flashing one. So for whatever reason, I can't make the shrinking one work. But anyway, if I go to Hyprland and you go to look and feel. So just go to the website and then you can scroll down. You can basically just cut and paste or copy this code block in here. So this is what you need to cut and paste or copy and paste into your hyprland.conf file in the look and feel section. As you can see here, there's my hyper expo, there's my hyper scrolling, so all got separate blocks. So here's hyperfocus. So basically it just says enable, yes, it enables it. And then mouse focus animation. Obviously if you scroll your mouse over a window, it does that specific animation. So it's actually on flash now. So this word is flash. I put it on bounce and shrink, but none of them worked. So it might work for you, I don't know. So here's the shrink parameters. Shrink percentage 0.95 means it shrinks by 95%. So it's just a little shrink like this, like the ones they have here, and so on and so forth. Let me see if my settings are the same. So there's the flash, there's the shrink. They have a 0.8 there, and then there is baz in 0.5, baz out 3. So it's exactly the same, but mine doesn't want to shrink. So it's a nice animation. I don't know if it's got something to do with hyper scrolling, because I got hyper scrolling on here. As you can see, I scroll to the right or left. But yeah, that's actually the only thing you have to do. I don't think you have to have a bind key, obviously, because that doesn't make sense. It's just mouse focus over it. Let me just quickly see if I have something in here. No, there's nothing there. So yeah, it's just copying that code block in, and that is basically how you get hyperfocus to work. Now obviously you have to install it. So if you have the Hyper plugin manager installed, which I have a video for, you can just click there in the top. Then you can just type in hyprpm list. Let me just list it. It will list all your plugins, all the plugins and all the plugins that you have installed. So I have these 3 plugins installed. There's my hyperfocus true. So it's all good. So when you want to install a plugin, you just say hyprpm enable hyperfocus, and it will install it. But just make sure you update your hyprpm as well. So hyprpm update it before you install anything. Otherwise you can just say sudo pacman hyperfocus, store it that way, and it will install. Yeah, so for some reason mine is working. As you can see, it flashes, and I haven't even set the flash here at all. Even down here in animation, where is it now? There's nothing of hyperfocus. I've commented the hyperfocus in and out. I comment them out. That's anyway bounce. But yeah, that's a mystery. I don't know how to get that to work, but the flashing is pretty cool still. Not too bad. So if I open another terminal here, drag it here, you can see it flashes a little bit. You can actually set that speed as well, how quickly it flashes, and so on and so forth. So yeah, just a quick video on hyperfocus. Good.